Hello everyone, welcome to my channel as that education tutorial. In this video, 5th standard English chapter number 22, a book review workbook solution. If you satisfy my answer, you can stop the video and complete your workbook. If you any doubt, please write a comment box. अगर आप लोग को वीडियो थोड़ी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.